Okay, guys, so we are summarizing Beowulf's disagreement with Unferth using the who wanted but so method. So again, we need to explain who had the disagreement. Obviously, it's Beowulf and Unferth. What did they want? What happened? They wanted something, but something happened. And then so, how did it end? So I wrote out my answer, but I blacked out um, most of it so that no one would copy my answer exactly. So I started off Beowulf and Unferth, then I explained something. What did they disagree about? Beowulf wanted what? He wanted somebody to share something with him. But Unferth had a difference of opinion. Unferth didn't want what Beowulf wanted. So Beowulf ends up proving that he's right by doing something. So your summary should be about this length and should show Beowulf and Unferth, what they wanted, why they disagreed, and how it ends, how their disagreement ends.